Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Nakot Engineering Information. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video is gonna be about graphic design. So let's get right into the video. If you don't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe and share the past videos and new upcoming videos. Let's start. If you're interested in designing awesome graphics for your web or print projects, then you'll want to learn how to become a graphic designer. Graphic design is an extremely versatile profession that can be used in a variety of fields, from advertising and marketing to product packaging and website design. In this article, we'll provide you with the essential information you need to begin your graphic design career. From education requirements to the types of design jobs available, we'll cover everything you need to know. So read on and start planning your path to becoming a graphic designer. What is graphic design? Understanding what a graphic design job would entail is essential if you want to learn how to become a graphic designer. The art of telling stories through visual communication is graphic design. Build a brand and attract your target audience by combining text with images and graphics. You can work in advertising, entertainment, and news as a graphic designer, in print publications, digital media, and broadcast media, for example. Build your portfolio, practice your graphic design skills, and learn more about how to join this creative industry.
What you will require to become a graphic designer. You should carefully consider your training, goals, and creative and technical background if you want to become a professional graphic designer or pursue a creative career in graphic design. Even though there are many career options in the graphic design industry, it's important to decide where you want to go when you start college. When it comes to advancing your graphic design skills and creating your own path in the workplace, it will make all the difference if you choose the right courses and earn the right credentials.
How to become a graphic designer: education, training, and qualifications. Planning your future education requires careful preparation, including a visual portfolio of creative work that you have developed throughout high school to showcase your graphic design skills. Despite the fact that a sense of creativity, style, originality, excellent communication skills, and familiarity with computer graphics, animation, and design software are all desirable, numerous colleges suggest that understudies total an extended period of essential workmanship and configuration courses during secondary school to create and get familiar with the basics of craftsmanship and plan. Students must learn about the specific requirements of the college or university to which they are applying and obtain as much information as they can from the art department, guidance counselors, and other administration to begin the application process. A bachelor's degree from an accredited university, college, or private design school is required for most entry-level and advanced graphic design positions. On the other hand, if you want to get an associate's degree, you can get your certification from a lot of different schools. With a 2-year degree, you can apply for assistant-level positions in the graphic design industry after graduation. You can complete a 2 or 3-year graphic design program if you already have a bachelor's degree in another field.
Your curriculum: what to expect, website, visual design, studio art, computerized design, motion graphics, printing techniques, commercial graphics production, typography, and other similar coursework that falls under a fine art or graphic design program may be included in your curriculum depending on the area of graphic design that you wish to pursue. Design principles, such as understanding design theory and the design process, may be the focus of other courses. Courses in art history, sociology, psychology, writing, foreign languages, cultural studies, marketing, and business are all part of a liberal arts education. Students who want to work as graphic designers can gain a broader perspective and be better prepared for their field, which typically requires a lot of collaboration and communication. Top 10 careers for individuals with a degree in graphic design. 1. Graphic designer. 2. Art director, creative director. 3. Commercial and industrial designers. 4. Marketing manager. 5. Marketing specialist. 6. Multimedia artist, animator. 7. Public relations specialist. 8. Software applications developer. 9. Software quality assurance tester. 10. Web developer. Web design. As you can see, getting a formal education can help you get the skills and knowledge you need to look into a wide range of professional career options. The skills you've acquired will only help you leverage your career while increasing your earning potential and opportunities. For advancement, regardless of whether you choose to pursue a master's degree, a career in the graphic design industry, or a branch out into a related field,